How to reset Skillshare password. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how you can reset your Skillshare password. So let's go. The first step is to log in into your Skillshare account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your home page automatically. On this page, once you're here, move to the top right corner where you can see options such as sessions, my classes, and then your profile icon, and just click on that. Then in the drop down menu, scroll down and click on account settings. Once you're on the account settings page, move to the left side of the screen where you can see profile, file settings, email address, then password. Once you click on password, you'll be brought to the password page. So on this page, ensure you click on reset password, okay, and then instructions on how you can reset your password will be sent to your email address. And the next step is to move to the top part of the screen, click on the plus icon to open a new tab, and then click on G and then type Gmail inbox in the search box. Then click on Gmail, and then you wait for your inbox to load. Then you can see your email that has been sent to you, and as you can see, instruction on how to change your password has been sent. So just go ahead and click on the link and be redirected to another page again. So the next step would be for you to enter in the new password that you would like to change it to. And I'll just go ahead and do that now. Then re-enter the new password again, right? And then scroll down and click on reset password. Then just like that, your password has been changed, and then you can now go back to your Skillshare account. So this is it. This is how you can reset your password on Skillshare. Thank you for watching and have a good day.